Welcome to our Coca-Cola factory. Today I'll show you how one of the world's most popular drinks is made, step by step. C-syrup formula is carefully balanced, combining purified water, sugar syrup, the secret Coca-Cola flavor concept. Every bottle is washed, filled, and sealed with perfect precision. And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from raw ingredients to the bottle in your hand. Subscribe to our channel right now. Everyone who subscribes today will enter to win. 10 lucky viewers will receive $10,000 each. More giveaways are coming, so hit subscribe and turn on the bell.